So who wants to learn how to create this? All right, so first we're gonna type out P Valley, and I'm gonna add the font in the description. You're gonna make sure that you rasterize this layer, and we're gonna start creating our effects. All right, so you're gonna use your drop shadow, and then just check out these stats. Put your own colors, whatever color you want to do, and then check out the stats, but make sure you're looking at your progress. You're going to add an outer glow that's a bit lighter than the drop shadow. Then we're going to add a color overlay that's the same color as the outer glow. And then we're going to add an inner glow that's white on screen blend mode, all right? And we're going to check that glow. Then we're going to duplicate that layer and delete all of those effects, and we're going to cut it in half, give it a little razzle dazzle to it, you know what I'm saying? You're going to select that and then layer cut in half, you know what I'm saying? Then the top layer we're gonna change the blend mode to soft light, and the bottom layer we're gonna change the soft to overlay. All right, and now we got this little razzle dazzle, we got the background, we got some color, and baby, we down in the valley where the girls get naked.